Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we dive deep into the rides that make your heart race and your garage jealous. Today, we're talking about something straight out of a gearhead's dream, a legend reborn for the modern road. That's right, the 2026 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme 442. If you're old enough to remember the glory days of Oldsmobile muscle, or if you're just discovering why this nameplate has been whispered about in car circles for decades, buckle up because this revival isn't just a nostalgia trip. It's a full-throttle evolution. General Motors has dusted off the Cutlass badge after more than 20 years in hibernation, and they've infused it with cutting-edge tech, raw power, and that unmistakable American muscle swagger. We're going to walk you through every inch of this beast, from its aggressive stance to the roar under the hood, and by the end, you'll be wondering how soon you can get your hands on one. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell so you never miss a Rev Let's Roll. Picture this, you're pulling up to a car show, and out of the mist emerges a silhouette that's equal parts throwback and tomorrow. Starting up front, the 2026 Cutlass Supreme 442 grabs you by the collar and doesn't let go. That long, sculpted hood stretches out like it's ready to pounce, a nod to the classic muscle cars of the 60s and 70s, but refined with today's precision engineering. The grille is massive yet purposeful, bold. Chrome-trimmed maw flanked by razor-sharp LED headlights that slice through the night like laser beams. These aren't your grandpa's sealed beams. They're adaptive matrix LEDs that adjust brightness and pattern based on traffic, weather, or even your mood if you sync it to the infotainment. Below the grille, a deep air dam pulls in massive gulps of cool air for the engine bay, while sleek daytime running lights trace the edges like veins pulsing with energy. The bumper integrates seamlessly with pronounced fender flares that hint at the wide track stance underneath, and those fog lights. They're housed in vents that double as brake cooling ducts because this car knows performance starts at the nose. It's aggressive without being cartoonish, think Predator. Not poser, and when you see it head-on in a parking lot, it fills the frame, demanding respect from every hybrid and crossover in sight. Swinging around to the side, the Cutlass reveals its athletic profile. A perfect blend of flowing curves and chiseled edges that make it look like it's been wind-tunneled in a sci-fi lab. The roofline dips low and fast toward the rear, creating that iconic fastback vibe, but with a subtle coupe-like slant that keeps it versatile for 4 passengers. Those character lines running from the front wheel arch to the taillights, they're sharper than a switchblade, accentuating the 112-inch wheelbase while giving the body a sense of forward momentum even when it's parked. Speaking of wheels, Oldsmobile outfits this beauty with 20-inch lightweight forged alloys, matte black with machine faces on the Supreme trim that hug massive 275 40ths, low-profile run-flat tires. These aren't just for show. The sidewalls are reinforced for better sidewall stiffness, translating to razor-sharp cornering without the sidewall roll you get on softer rubber. Aerodynamic touches abound, underbody panels smooth airflow. Mirror caps are slim and camera integrated for blind spot monitoring. And even the door handles flush seamlessly into the body for that clean, wind-cheating look. The paint? Options range from deep metallic blacks to fiery reds, but that signature Oldsmobile Aurora blue pops under sunlight, shifting hues like it's alive. From the side, it's a car that whispers speed long, low, and loaded with intent. Turning heads, whether you're cruising Pacific Coast Highway or blasting down a back road. Now, flip it around to the rear, and the Cutlass Supreme 442 shows its tail, quite literally. The haunches flare out wide, emphasizing the quad exhaust tips that poke out like chrome cannons, tuned to emit a deep guttural rumble that echoes off canyon walls. Above them, a full-width LED taillight bar connects the corners, glowing with a sequential turn signal animation that's both hypnotic and high-tech. Imagine brake lights that pulse warnings to tailgaters in a Morse code of back off. The diffuser is aggressive, with active vents that open under hard acceleration to manage heat and downforce, flanked by a subtle rear spoiler that's functional, not flashy, adding just enough rear grip for high-speed stability without killing the clean lines. The Cutlass badge sits proudly centered on the deck lid, embossed in 3D chrome that catches the light, while dual exhaust resonators ensure that V8 Symphony builds to a crescendo when you mash the throttle. It's a rear end that's all business up front, with a party in the back sculpted, planted, and ready to launch, making you itch to see what happens when you point it at the horizon. Alright, let's slide inside and see if the magic holds up where it counts, the cockpit. Opening the door soft close, naturally, With frameless glass, you're greeted by a cabin that's a love letter to driver-focused design, wrapped in premium hides and high-tech hides. The seats? Oh man, these are the stars-bolstered buckets up front with perforated Napa leather, 18-way power adjustments and massage functions that knead away the miles on a cross-country haul. Heating, ventilation, and even air ionization keep you cool under pressure, while the Supreme trim adds quilted stitching and contrast piping in that same Aurora blue for a pop of personality. Rear seats fold flat for 12 cubic feet of cargo versatility, but honestly, who'd want to haul groceries when you could be hauling friends to the track? The dashboard sweeps wide and low, dominated by a 12.3-inch curved digital instrument cluster that morphs layouts on the fly from minimalist speedo for relaxed cruises to full torque vectoring telemetry for track days, complete with G-force readouts and lap timers. Right below, the 15-inch floating touchscreen runs the latest Oldsmobile OS, seamless with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates that keep your nav fresh without a dealership visit. Voice commands respond like a co-pilot, and the heads-up display projects speed, turns, and even augmented reality arrows onto the windshield for distraction-free domination. The steering wheel is a thick-rimmed masterpiece, wrapped in Alcantara with thumb grips and illuminated paddle shifters that click with magnesium precision. Center console? It's a command center wireless charging pad, crystal gear selector, and cue folders that actually hold tumblers without rattling. Ambient lighting cycles through 64 colors, syncing to your playlist, while active noise cancellation and acoustic glass make the cabin a vault of serenity at 80 miles per hour. Materials scream quality, open-pore wood inlays, brushed aluminum accents, and suede headliner that feels like a Bentley on a budget. It's luxurious without being fussy, sporty without sacrificing comfort climb in. And you feel like the hero of your own road movie, but let's be real. The heart of any Cutlass has always been the thunder under the hood. And the 2026 Supreme 442 delivers a sledgehammer symphony. Pop that long hood and you're staring at a hand-built 5.0-liter twin-turbo V8 aluminum block. Direct injection, variable valve timing, the works, pumping out 550 horsepower and 650 Newton meters of torque that you feel in your spine before the numbers even register. It's not just big, it's smart. With adaptive mapping that switches from eco-sipping city mode to full-bore track fury via drive selectors on the console. Pair it with an 8-speed automatic that's lightning quick, or opt for the paddle-shifted manual mode for that old-school engagement. Acceleration? 0 to 60 miles per hour vanishes in under 3.8 seconds, pinning you back with a turbo whoosh that builds to a V8 howl, the kind that rattles windows and clears lanes. Top speed is electronically limited to 186 miles per hour, but on a closed course, it'd happily chase more. Handling-wise, this isn't your dad's boat on wheels. The chassis blends high-strength steel with carbon fiber reinforcements for a 50/50ths weight, distribution that's as balanced as a ballerina on steroids. Adaptive dampers read the road 1,000 times a second, firming up for apex carving or softening for pothole-dodging commutes, while the intelligent balance response system juggles torque vectoring between axles to keep you glued mid-corner no drama, just dialed-in precision. Brembo 6-piston brakes haul it down from triple digits with fade-free confidence, and the all-wheel drive option, standard on Supreme, claws through rain or gravel like it's pavement. Exhaust note, tuned for resonance that rumbles at idle, snarls on downshifts, and screams on overrun its auditory adrenaline. Fuel economy hovers around 18 city, 26 highway, respectable for a 4,000-pound missile. And with 85 flex fuel capability, it's got that green cred without the compromise. Drive it, and it's alive responsive. Forgiving when you push limits, but always begging for more gas. Now, let's talk dollars and cents, because dreams like this don't come free. But the 2026 Cutlass makes a strong case for value in the muscle segment. Starting with the base custom trim, you're looking at an MSRP around $36,758 that gets you the 2.7-liter turbo 4-cylinder shared with the Cadillac CT4. Good for 325 horses and all the style without breaking the bank. Step up to the Supreme, our hero today, and it's $45,890 well spent for that V8 punch and loaded features. Want the full 442 package? Add a few grand for the supercharged 6.2-liter LT4 bumping to 650 horsepower. Pushing close to $50,000, fully optioned with the Performance Pack, Recaro seats, and premium audio. You're in the mid-$55,000s, still a steal compared to a Mustang, GT Premium at $48,000 with less Arita?